Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So this is our 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, and before solving this cube I want to tell some basics notations about this 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So this is 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. When we hold cube like that, so this is our right side, so this is R and this is R prime. This is our left side, so this is L and this is L prime. This is our top side, so this is U and this is U prime. This is our front face, so this is F and this is F prime. This is our down layer, so this is D and this is D prime, and this is our back side, so this is B and this is B prime. So these are our basic notations, and these are our centerpieces. These single color pieces are our centerpieces, and these two color pieces are our edge pieces, like red and yellow, red blue, blue yellow, blue orange. So these are our edge pieces, and these three color pieces are our corner pieces, blue, orange, yellow, yellow, red, green. So these are our corner pieces. So now I will scramble this cube and then we will solve this cube. Okay, I have scrambled this cube. Now I will start to solve this cube. We can start this cube from any side. We can start from green color, start from yellow, start from red. So any color we can select. So I will start from this yellow side. So this is our yellow side. I will start Rubik's cube from this side. So our first step, that we will fix 4 white edge pieces in this yellow side. I mean, one white edge piece I will fix in this side, second white edge piece I will fix in this side, third will fix in this side, and fourth in this side. First I will fix 4 white edge pieces. So we will find white edge pieces. You can see this is white and blue edge piece. So this is our white piece, but this piece is rotated. We need to fix this piece like that. I mean, this white color we will need to rotate in this side. So first we will bring this piece in this position like that. Then we will rotate this layer and we will bring this piece up. So we have fixed one white piece. Now this is our second white edge piece. Similarly, we will bring this piece in this position, and we can also bring this piece in this position. So first we will bring piece in this position, and this piece is solved. We will take out of the way and bring this side, and we'll bring this piece up. So I have fixed 2 white edge pieces. So this is our third white edge piece. If we rotate this piece in this side, so you can see this piece is rotated. So similarly, first we will bring this piece in this side, and then we will bring this piece up. So we have fixed 1, 2 and 3 white pieces, and we will find our last white edge piece. So you can see this is our white and orange edge piece. We will fix this white and orange edge piece in this side. So first we will bring this side near like that, and then we will bring this piece up. Okay, so now you can see I have fixed 4 white edge pieces. So that was our first step. Now we will fix these 4 white edge pieces in this white side, but we will also match this color. For example, you can see this is white and green piece. So in front we have green color. First we will match green with any green centerpiece. Like this is red center. We will rotate these two layers, and you can see we have matched green with green. So when we match this uh, color like that, then we will bring this piece down. Okay, now you can see we have proper fix one piece, and now this is our white and red piece. So this is our white color, and in front we have red color. Now we will rotate these two layers and match red color with red, like that. So now you can see we have matched red with red, and now we will bring this layer down. We have fixed two white color. This is our third color. This is white and orange. So in front we have orange color. Similar, we will rotate these two layers and match orange with orange, as like that. Now you can see we have matched orange with orange. So we will also bring this piece in down position. And last we have red, white and blue color. So blue is already matched with blue. Simply we will bring this piece in down position. Okay. So now you can see we have matched 4 white edge piece with white center piece, and also we have matched these pieces. I mean we have matched these center pieces. So green match with green, red match with red, blue with blue, and orange with orange. So this is our second step. We have create our cross, and also we match these pieces. So now we will match 4 white corner pieces, and we will complete our white face. If we hold cube like that, so now you can see in top we have white color. From our left side we have orange, and right side we have green. It's mean in this position we need to fix white, orange and green corner piece. First we will find in this down layer white, green and orange. Okay, you can see this is white, green and orange corner piece. So you can see in this piece we have 3 color. So this is our corner piece. We will need to fix this piece in this position. So how we will fix this piece in this position? So first we will bring piece in this position. We can say this is close position. So when we bring this piece in this position, then we hold cube like that, and we will apply algorithm R prime, D prime, R, D. So now you can see our piece we have fixed, but this is rotated. So we will again apply R prime, D prime, R, D whenever this piece will proper match. So again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now you can see we have fixed one corner piece properly. White match with white, orange with orange and green with green. So we have fixed one white, green and orange color piece. Now we will rotate cube in this position, and from this position we can see we need white, green and red piece, because in top we have white center, from our left side green center, and right side we have red center. So we will need in this position white, green and red corner piece. First we will find our down layer white, green and red piece. Okay, you can see white, green and red piece we have available in our bottom layer. So first we will bring this piece in this position because we want to fix this piece in this side. So this is our close position. First we will bring our white, green and red corner piece in this position. So we will rotate our this down layer and bring our white, green and red corner piece in this position. Now we have fixed our white, green and red piece. So now we will apply our algorithm and we will fix this white, green and red piece in this position. So hold cube again like that and apply R prime, D prime, R, D. So we have fixed second white corner piece. Now we will fix white, red and blue corner piece, and we have white, red and blue corner piece on same position, but we need to flip this piece. So again we will hold cube like that and apply same algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, our third piece we have fixed. Now we have left with one white corner piece. So in this side we will need to fix white, blue and orange corner piece because in top face we have white color, our left side we have blue center and right side we have orange. So we need white, blue and orange corner piece. So first we will find our white, blue and orange corner piece in this down layer. Okay, you can see white, blue and orange corner piece. First we will bring this piece its close position. So we will fix this piece in this side. So this is our close position. We will rotate this down layer and bring white, blue and orange corner piece in this position. Now we will apply our algorithm and we will fix this piece in this position. So again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, now you can see we have complete our white face and also we have matched these color. You can see this is our blue face, this is our orange face also matching with these center pieces. So this is orange face, this is orange match with orange centerpiece. This is our green face, so this is green centerpiece and this is our red face. So our this step is complete. Now we have complete our white face. So we will hold cube like that. I mean we will keep our white portion in our down layer like that. So now we will complete our this middle layer. I mean one green and red edge piece we need to fix in this position. Second we need to fix green and orange edge piece in this position. Then we will fix orange and blue edge piece, and in this side we will fix blue and red edge piece. So we will complete our this second layer and we can say this is middle layer. So how we can fix these edge pieces? First we will find our top center. You can see our top center is yellow. It means we need non-yellow edge pieces. For example, this is blue and yellow edge piece, so this is extra piece. We have no need this piece. We will find non-yellow pieces because this is yellow center, so we will find any non-yellow edge pieces. So this is yellow and blue. We will leave this piece Okay, so now you can see this is orange and blue. This is our right piece, so we can fix this piece on its proper position. So this is orange and blue. In this edge piece we have no yellow color piece. Now we will check our front color. So you can see in front we have blue color. So first we will rotate these two layers and match blue color with blue. We will rotate our these two layers. Okay, now we have match blue with blue. When we match these two color, then we will check our top color. And now you can see in top position we have orange color. So first we will check our orange color like that. So you can see our orange color is available in our left side. So this is our top color orange, this is in our left side. So it's mean we will fix this piece from left side algorithm. We have two kind of algorithm in by solving this middle layer. So this is our left side algorithm when we need fix our piece in our left side. You can see this is orange, so orange is in our left side. So when we need to fix our this edge piece from left side, so we will apply our algorithm u prime, l prime, u, l. You can see these two pair are matching, and then u, f, u prime and f prime. So we have complete our algorithm. Now you can see we have properly fixed one edge piece. So you can see this portion we have solved. So again we will check our these four edge pieces and we will find any non-yellow edge piece. So this is red and yellow, so this piece we have no need. This is yellow and blue, this is also extra piece. Okay, now you can see this is blue and red piece. So we can fix this blue and red piece. In this time, in our front side we have red color. First we will rotate these two layer and we will match red with red. So this is our first step, we will match red with red. Okay, now you can see we have matched red with red center, and in top we have blue color, and again our blue color is available in our left side. So once again we will apply our left side algorithm. So again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. And you can see we have fixed our second edge piece and we have solved our half portion. And now we will fix in this side red and green piece. So red and green piece is available but this piece is rotated. So first we will need to bring out this piece. So we can replace this piece with any extra piece. For example, we can replace this green and red piece with this piece. So this is yellow and orange piece. This piece will fix in our right side. So this time we will apply our right side algorithm. So this time we will fix this piece in our right side. So we will apply our right side algorithm, and our right side algorithm is u, r, u prime, r prime, u prime, f prime, u, f. Okay, now you can see we have fixed this extra piece and we have green and red piece in our top position. So this is our green and red piece. Now we will fix this piece properly. So in front we have red color. First we will rotate these two layers and match red with red. So we have match red color with red center, and this time in top we have green color, and in this time our green color is available in our right side. It's mean we will fix this piece in our right position. So we will apply our right side algorithm. So hold cube like that and apply right side algorithm. U R U prime R prime U prime F prime U F. Okay, we have fixed our third edge piece. So now we have left with our last edge piece. So first we will find any non-yellow edge piece. So this is blue and yellow, this is extra piece. Okay, this is green and orange edge piece. So we will need this piece to fix. So this is orange piece. We will rotate these two layers and match orange color with orange center, as like that. Now you can see we have matched orange center, orange with orange color, and in top we have green color, and this time green is available in our left side. So it's mean now we will fix this piece with left side algorithm. So our left side algorithm is U prime L prime U L U F U prime F prime. We have complete our algorithm, and you can see we have solved our this middle layer and also this second layer. Now we have left with our this top layer. So when we solve this top layer, so we find three kind of cases in this position. So this is our yellow center. So in this yellow center we have different kind of cases. So I will show you step by step. Okay, so now we have solved our these two layer, and now we will solve our this third layer. So when we start to solve our third layer, so we can find different kind of cases. So this is our first case. So in this case we have only one yellow center. This is our extra piece, we will just ignore it. So now you can see we have just yellow center piece. So when we find this kind of situation, so we can hold cube from any angle. We can hold cube from this side, from this side, from this side. So we can hold cube from any angle, and we will apply this algorithm. F, I mean front, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So now you can see this is our second situation. In this situation we can see we have fixed our two yellow edge pieces, and we have created L shape. So this is our L shape, this is our second case. So when we find this kind of case, we will hold cube like that. One yellow piece facing in left side and one is facing back side, and hold cube like that and apply algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime. So this is our third situation. You can see we have yellow straight line. We have ignored this yellow corner piece, and you can see we have one yellow straight line. So this is our third position. When we find this kind of situation, so we hold cube like that, and we will put our this yellow line in our in vertical position. We cannot hold cube like that, like horizontal. We will hold cube like that. This yellow line will in vertical position, and we will apply algorithm and we will create yellow cross. So that was our main requirement. We need to complete our yellow cross as we complete our white cross in start of cube. So hold cube like that and apply algorithm f r u r prime u prime f prime. Okay, so hide these two pieces, and now you can see we have complete our yellow cross. I can show this yellow cross clearly. Okay, so now you can see we have complete our yellow cross. So this is our main step. We can find different kind of cases. We can find only yellow cross, then we will apply our algorithm 4 times. Sometime we can find this L shape, so we will apply our algorithm to 3 times, 2 times. And sometime we can find this yellow straight line and apply our algorithm 1 time, and we will solve our yellow cross. So now you can see we have solved our yellow cross. So this step is complete. Now our next step, we will match any two color with center, and sometime we can match 4 color. So we can check that how many center we have matched. Okay, so now you can see we have matched one blue center and also one orange center. So we have matched two centers, and this center is not matching, and also this center is not matching. This red we need to fix in this position, and this green we need to fix in this position. So we have find this kind of situation. We have matched these two centers same like that. So when we find these two center in this position, so we will hold cube like that. One matching center we will keep in our left side, and second matching center we will keep in our back side. So these two centers that we need to rotate each other, we will place one in our front side and one in our right side, and hold cube like that, and we will apply algorithm R U R prime U R U to R prime. Sorry. Okay. Uh, when we find these two center matching like that, we can see this blue center is matching properly, this orange center is also matching properly, and these two center we need to rotate each other. So hold cube like that, I mean one center that we need to rotate, we will keep this center in our front side, and this center we will keep in our right side, and these two centers they are matching properly. One we will keep in our left side, and one we will keep in our back side, and hold cube like that, and we will apply our algorithm R U to R prime U prime R U prime R prime U prime. So we have complete our algorithm, and now you can see we have fixed all pieces with their centers. You can see we have matched green with green center, we have matched orange with orange center, blue with blue center, and red with red center. So we have matched all 4 center pieces. So sometime in this position we have find another case. So first I will show. Okay, so when we complete our yellow cross, so sometime we can find a this kind of situation. our one center piece match in this position and second center match in opposite side. So you can see one color in this side matching and one in this side. So these two pieces are matching and we need to rotate these two pieces. I mean, you can see in this side we need yellow and green, and this yellow and blue we need to fix in this side. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will keep one matching piece in our front side and one matching piece we will place in our back side, and we will apply same algorithm r u2 r prime u prime r u prime r prime. We have complete our algorithm, and now you can see once again we have matched two pieces same like that. So one piece is matching in this position and second in this position. So again we will hold cube like that. We will place one matching piece in our back side and one in our left side and apply same algorithm, and this time we will match all pieces r u2 r prime u prime r u prime r prime. We have complete our algorithm, and just we will match all centers. So this is fixed, this is also fixed, this is fixed, and this is. So we have matched 4 edge pieces with this center. So this step is complete. Now we will solve our last step. So our last step, we will solve our these corner pieces. First we will find any matching corner piece like that. If I hold cube like that, so this is yellow, blue and red. So in this corner piece we have yellow, but we have no blue color and also we have no red color. So this is our wrong piece. We will leave this piece and we will check this piece. Okay, so now you can see in this side we have yellow, red and green, and you can see in this corner piece also we have yellow, green and red piece. So this is our correct piece. We will just need to rotate this piece. So in this side we have our correct piece, and in this side we have wrong piece. You can see yellow, green and orange we need. Yellow and orange is available, but in this corner piece we have no green color. Similar in this side we need yellow, orange and blue. Yellow and blue we have, but orange we have no available in this corner. So only one corner piece is in their correct position. So when we find one corner piece in correct position, so we will place this corner piece in right side and our front side and hold cube like that. So you can see this is our right piece. We will place this piece in this position. So if we have no any piece, so we can apply our algorithm from any side. We can apply algorithm from this side, and from this side, and we will apply algorithm and we will find one matching corner piece like that. So in this cube we have already one matching piece available. So we will hold cube like that and we will apply our algorithm L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. So this piece is already in proper place, and now we will check our all corner pieces. So once again we can see this is our wrong piece because we need yellow, blue and red. So yellow and blue we have in this corner, but we have no red piece. So this is also wrong piece. This is also, so only this piece is on its proper position. So again hold cube like that and apply same algorithm, and this time we will fix all corner piece proper. So algorithm is L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Okay, so now you can see this piece properly fixed. In this side we need yellow, red and green, and we have yellow, red and green. So this is also correct, this is also correct and also properly fixed, and this is also correct. So we have fixed our all corner piece properly. Now we will need just these two pieces, we need to rotate. So this piece we need to rotate. We will keep this piece in our front and apply algorithm R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. We have complete our algorithm, and now you can see we have properly fixed. Now we will take away, and same algorithm we will apply with this piece, and our cube will be solved. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. So now you can see we have solved our 3 by 3 Rubik's cube.